At American Airlines, caring for you is our priority. That's why we are rolling out enhanced cleaning practices for aircraft and airports in the coming weeks. Every day, we will give all aircraft a thorough cleaning with an EPA-approved disinfectant. And before every flight, we will clean customer and team member high-touch areas using the same disinfectant. Also, all of our mainline aircraft have HEPA filters that remove 99.97% of airborne particles while you're in the air. In addition, we have expanded electrostatic spraying with a hospital-grade disinfectant in all public areas of the aircraft. In airports, we're diligently cleaning high-contact surfaces multiple times a day, so you can have peace of mind when you travel with us. Your well-being is important. And as always, we're here for you. Because you are why we fly.